All right, well, we are nearing the end of another year, and many of you might be planning how you're going to ring in 2015. And even though the deadline is still about 4 months away for your taxes, it's still a good time to start thinking about them because doing so now can definitely help save you some money. By December 31st, it's the end of another tax year. Then the race is on to April 15th to get your taxes filed. With weeks before that end of the year deadline, we went to the experts to find out things that you should do now to maximize your refund or reduce the amount you owe.
It's not too late. It's always better to start early and do it all year.
Ayar is a tax attorney. One of the first things he suggests is take advantage of casualty deductions. This past August, historic flooding destroyed the property of many people in Metro Detroit.
Any property that you lose as a result that is not covered by insurance can be deducted on your tax return. So it's important to start going through what happened and itemizing a list of all the property you lost and assigning values to it.
And when it comes to your income, make sure you report all of your earnings to avoid a penalty and possible jail time.
If you're underreporting by enough, then the criminal investigators get involved and tax fraud charges are brought.
Speaking of income, if you work a commission-based job, defer any additional income. It'll help lower your taxable income for this year.
If you are planning on getting a year-end bonus at your job, for example, you can ask your employer to pay it in January. That way it doesn't get taxed until next year.
And while you're at it, there's still time to get help with your individual taxes. Local 4 business editor Rod Maloney suggests if you're not doing your taxes yourself, hire a tax preparer to look them over for you. They can also help you with your taxes on a year-to-year basis.
I recommend a fee-based financial planner because, see, taxes are not something that you need to just pay attention to at the end of the year or on April 15th. Taxes need to be rolled into your entire financial plan.
And once you've found one, do a quick Google search to make sure yours hasn't been sued or ever in trouble with the IRS.
But I think if you go with the reputable firms that you've heard of before, you probably are going to be okay.
And I also asked the experts about online taxes like TurboTax, and they said that that was an okay route to go with as well. Now, here's the thing. If you have made any mistakes on previous year's taxes, like underreporting your income, they say it's best to just amend those tax returns now and come clean yourself, because if Uncle Sam catches you, you could face jail time, and that is definitely not something that you want to have to go through. Paul, we'll send it over to you.